What's going on, everybody? Here's a morning race going on. We're getting ready to get our race going right now, but I'm walking this Enduro Cross section. This is going to be all us today in the main event, this side and that side. So I'm walking it. Get it? I'm walking it to get an idea. You know, it's always nice to have kind of a plan. Well, I guess it's about time to go get the bike geared up, and that's going to be the lineup right there. So yeah, let's go get the bike and get ready. Alright, welcome. Another Gladius John race commentary. This is round 3 CVTR. Again, if you'd like to see this 100% raw, click the link in the right hand corner there. Anyways, let's get this race started. We got a live start on this particular race, which means the engines stay running and they drop the flag. 2 lines ahead of me, a crash, of course. You know, it seems like with all of these, there's always a crash on the first turn out the whole shot. Well, let's see how I get on. Another crash. Always a crash. Very predictable. A couple people have asked me why I always take the whole shot kind of conservatively. Well, that's why. You can't win the race on the whole shot. You just can't. It's an hour and a half, 2 hour race. You can't win it on the whole shot. So anyways, I come out of there. I'm probably about mid-pack. Coming through these first open fields here, this dust was just absolutely insane. I wanted to get on it, and I did a little bit, and then I just had to back right off. I didn't know where I was going. I had no clue. And I was also trying to dodge these double arrows. So, yeah, brutal. Coming in the first wood section here, this guy goes over the handlebars. And don't worry, my time is coming up very shortly. So we go through this nice flowy single track. I'm starting to get kind of back into the groove a little bit, trying to keep up with the pack. I've noticed if I keep up with the pack, I do all right. And I end up taking a wrong line here, wrong line. So I'm like, shoot, I need to get back into it. So I kind of cut a couple people off. In case anybody is wondering, that's part of racing. You gotta get in there, you gotta rub handlebars a little bit. That's something I've been learning and trying to work on. Where's this guy going? What are you doing there, bud? Look at him. See, great example. This guy tries to squeeze me off, and nope, not having it. So I see this giant backup. I'm like, I'm gonna follow this guy. I'm gonna do something here, and no, I'm not. I'm not doing anything here except for falling in a creek. Bike's over my legs. Yeah, that didn't work out very well. You know what? I gambled. I tried to kind of cut it a little bit, and I lost. But at other times that has paid off. So I'm gonna keep on gambling. Trying to get out here. Quite a few people had passed me, and I guess my rear tires got stuck on these sticks that were in the middle of this creek here. I was really struggling with this. So got off, pushed the bike a little bit, and then I shoved it in 4th gear, and I just pinned it, and I was like, all right, let's go. I just revved it, dumped the clutch. Good old bark busters doing their job there. That's what those are for. Made it out. Alright. So now I'm waiting in this giant backup. I guess there was some roots up here that people were having a problem with. You gotta hit these at speed. I kind of got stopped by the marshal there, and you know, he's trying to help other people out. Other people going to the left and right of me, and I'm just like right in the middle, like, oh man, come on, let's go. Kind of signal to him, there's my line, so I kind of take it, almost run this guy over. My apologies, that's never good. Run over a marshal, that'll get you kicked out quick, I'm sure. But yeah, we made it through. Well, that was a backup. Lost quite a bit of time there, but I'm like, alright, I gotta pass people. So there's a pass right there coming through the single track. I see more people up ahead. Alright, I need to pass, I need to go. So that's what we do, we go. 3 people down right there, squeezing it in right there. This is the off-canter section. It was really tough. Roots and off-canter with slick, real tough, real tough. Beautiful single track though, might I add. So get in the groove a little bit again. I start following this guy in the purplish jersey here, and you know, more single track, real tight stuff, a lot of roots. It's tricking me up, real tricky for me at least. So trying to stay with him. I notice he makes a go for it on this guy, so I'm like, you know what? Let's give it some beans. Man, that 300, you hit the gas and you just go. So yeah, I'm actually really proud of that pass. That's probably one of my best passes so far. I took a double outside line and I made a pass. That was pretty cool. Of course, the rider wasn't in my class, but you know, hey. So we get a little backup going here. He stalled out, and I'm like, all right, so I'm just gonna squeeze on by here. Thanks, Bubs. Appreciate it. I'm gonna keep on going. Get out into this second field section here, and I see somebody up ahead. I still got plenty of energy, so I'm like, you know what? I'm going to make a pass on this guy. Wasn't really that great. I should have been in the gas more. He was a little bit more confused than I was, so my bad. Should have just went ahead and gone. A couple more people ahead of me. I'm looking to make a pass on them too in this field section. Still kind of riding a little conservative because, you know, I don't want to fall. This was actually really tricky. It was really off-canter. GoPro doesn't do it justice, but the whole bike was sliding towards the right down the hill, and I tried to get on it a little bit. The rear slid out on me, and I was like, alright. So didn't make a pass on him, but I'm looking for it. I'm following him. I'm trailing him. I took the outside line there. Could have took the inside and kept a little bit closer to him. This was really tricky as well. These roots, and bang, shifted into neutral instead of second there. Good job. So yeah, there goes that. Get it going here, get climbing back up again, not bad. I was down, but I was not out. I was looking to make a pass on all of these people that I had just gotten passed by, and there goes one. Not bad. Struggling a little bit with these roots and these single track, and they left me. Dang it. Alright, third field section, coming into the motocross section. Get a little bit going here. Nice little bridge. That thing's pretty sweet. They got so many cool little features at this track. CVTR did a really good job with this track, I gotta tell you. They incorporated everything. Yeah, single track, woods, motocross, and Enduro Cross. Amazing. That jump there, not bad. And then I roll on the second jump here. I had not gotten a chance to look at the motocross track. I'm not very good at doubles. Still kind of conservative on doubles. Give me a tabletop and I'll hit a 40-foot tabletop any day, but doubles still a little bit hesitant on, so I'll kind of roll them over. You know, it is what it is. Coming into the Enduro Cross section here, I see Bonesaw Moto on the left here. I wanted to say hi and wave and see if he was okay, but I had a race to race and he was standing, so you know, I just went. I had already lost a bunch of other places. He was standing there, so I figured he was okay. This Enduro Cross track they put on was amazing. Get some speed down this straightaway here. I almost messed this up, but I managed to clear it. That's about 2 foot high, just in case y'all are wondering. 2 logs to a solid concrete block. Take the easy route through here. I'm kind of low on energy, more so than if I was fresh. You know, probably about 2/3 left in me. So I'm like, alright, I'm gonna keep it conservative. Some logs here. This was kind of tricky. I've never done anything like that before, and that came up on me quick. It was actually a gap there, and it was a split-second decision to hit that gas, but I got over it. This was tricky. You had to hit it dead on one direction and hit it dead on the other direction, so you had to make a sharp turn right as you landed. But hey, we did it. Thanks, Megan, for the shouts. Here we go. First lap coming through the school board. 25th. What? 25th? What? There's no way I'm 25th. Anyways, I'm like, you know what? Whatever. I need a drink. And I made a mistake with that. A little bit more about that in a little bit. That is how it's done. Over these roots. Take the wide line. Trying to keep momentum. This guy's like in my way. Get out the way. No, I'm just kidding, man. But yeah, I get stopped by him, and there's the line. I'm pointing at the line I need to take. There's still people stuck on these dang roots. So one of the guys over here at the very left-hand corner got off to help this person out, and I take advantage of that little gap there.
on you, dude. Good on you. Good on you.
Alright, so that's how you do that. Should have been done the first lap. Kind of cut this guy off a little bit. Sorry, dude, but gotta go. This guy on the blue bike here that I'm following, I'm gonna play this sound clip. It sounds so freaking amazing. I don't know what it is, but holy cow, listen to this. I don't know what it is, but wow. Anyways, he let me go.
Thank you.
Anyways, this guy's coming back down the hill for another attempt. This guy's getting going again. Cut him off. Get going. I'm not stopping. Sorry, but I gotta go.
A lot of people have been asking me why I'm geared so low through here. Well, traction. These roots split you off in every different direction at random. And when you've been riding for miles and miles and miles with somebody on your tail trying to pass you, you have no energy. So you try to keep the bike under control and keep traction. That's why. And that's why I got this 300, because it is a tractor. It does have 4-stroke torque, but it's also got 2-stroke top end. So there's your answer. Hope that helps.
Here we are nearing the end of the second lap here, and a marshal passes me. I'm like, what? What is going on? So I give it some beans here.
Woo! Open section, love it. The only section I'm good at.
Apparently there's a reason why they are marshals, because they're obviously a lot higher skilled rider than I am.
I think it's a marshal.
Coming down this field section here, I can barely keep up with him. Here's that one double that I'm good at. Here's a tabletop. Cleared about half of that tabletop, which is about 15 feet. Back to this section again. I couldn't make up my mind. This guy was stuck, and I was like, I'm getting wore out, so that's getting slower and sloppier, but, you know, hey, it is what it is. Scoreboard. Second lap. Come into the scoreboard here for my second lap, and they're waving the white flag, which signals one more lap, and I'm 24th. What? 24th?
Guess I'm going for one more lap. My first third lap race ever. That's cool. Go ahead. Welcome.
So I see in these marshals here had blocked off the original path and changed it. Let's see how I get on through here. Took that a little bit kind of conservative, and let's see if I have any problems with these routes. There's nobody ahead of me. There you go, that's how it should have been done. Perfect, no stops. So this track was definitely starting to get pretty beat up, and the first couple laps this wasn't this bad, but this turned into a very sharp, like Caldera almost. Whoever that guy is, he's really good. He's got plenty in reserve. Hops that tree and gets on out of there. I'd make a pass, but you know, that's whatever. This section here was really tough for me. It was really beat up, real rooted, real tight. So I was just doing everything I could to get through this section here. Heard more people behind me. Fatigue is really starting to set in at this point, and I'm not trying to be in anybody's way, so I'm just like kind of waiting here. Go ahead. That's that guy I believe that I just passed, but you know what? I don't care at this point. I'm getting tired.
Alright, third lap. I just drank all my contents of my gator back, or whatever they call them. Camelback. Fatigue setting in, and I'm just trying to finish this third lap. So whatever pace I end up going on this lap is whatever pace I can go.
So you remember earlier in the video I talked about a mistake I had made with my hydration pack. I got the smart idea that I was going to put Mountain Dew in my hydration pack. Yeah, that didn't work out. I had arm pump, leg pump, finger pump, everything was pumped. I couldn't do anything. Don't put Mountain Dew in your pack. Just definitely stick with water or Gatorade.
there's another example as to why I'm geared so low, because all I had to do was slip the clutch and give it some beans, and I'm in the perfect gear to go up hills like that. I don't have to expend energy shifting and rev matching and crap like that. Just whatever gear I'm in is perfect. I believe it's third. But don't count on it.
Go up to this open section again, nearing the end of the third lap, and I get on it a little bit here. I'm hearing somebody behind me. I'm like, what's going on? Blew my doors off. Good job, dude. Great pass. We come into this wooded section here. I'm thinking to myself, let me see if I can try to trail him. I know I'm at the end of the third lap. Let me try to trail him. Not even close. He's gone. He is gone. Here we are at the end of the third lap. The Enduro Cross section is left, and then scoring. I'm super slow. I'm just so done right now. Somebody had blown through this, I guess, so I took the easy route. He passed me on the outside. Amazing job. And I'm doing what I can to keep the bike up at this point. Going up through here. I don't know how I'm still on the bike and rolling at this point. I really need to work on endurance. My pace at the beginning of the races are always decent enough. If I don't make a mistake, they're always decent enough to keep up with traffic, but I cannot hold it. So this was 3 laps here, coming through the score, finish.
Four. Thank you. 3 laps, that killed me. I'm done. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm done.
So anyways, if you've gotten to this far in the video, I'm hoping you enjoyed it. Next race is round 4, Blue Ridge 1. I definitely hope to attend. As you know, like anything in life could happen, but I definitely hope to attend. So I ended up placing 24 out of 29. We had 3 DNF in our class. 24 out of 29 is not too terrible. My class put up one heck of a fight. I'll tell you what. For me to do 3 laps and barely, you know, almost back of the pack, good job. Good job, J-Line. Good job, 30 plus. Y'all are awesome. Just a quick heads up, I am putting all of these in a playlist. I do have the playlist on my main channel if you want to go back and watch. I've done 4 of these hare scrambles this year. This video will be in that playlist. You can start it. It starts from the first one I've ever done up until this point. It's really interesting to watch. I think you can see some kind of progression as we go. But anyways, I will catch y'all later. Thanks for watching, and yeah, peace.